What's up, y'all? In this video I'm going to be showing y'all how to do a Cajun shrimp boil. So the first thing you want to do is get a big pot and put a bunch of water in it and bring it to a boil, and then once that's boiling, add some potatoes in there and start cooking them. You want them to cook first because it take the longest, and if they're big, cut them in half, and then cut some onions up and put the onions in there. And then you want to add some liquid concentrate shrimp and crab boil and put some garlic powder in there. Then put in some paprika, and then some Old Bay, and then put in some onion powder. And then you want to put in a bunch of Cajun seasoning. I'm going to be using a couple different kinds. Then put in some cayenne pepper. Then put in some cloves of garlic. Then cut up some lemons and squeeze them and then put them in. And then cut up some habanero peppers and put those in. And then throw in some corn. And now you want to mix it around and let those potatoes cook. And while they're cooking, get some andouille sausage and cut those up, and you could just throw them in, or you can fry them in a pan a little bit before you put them in. The potatoes take about 20 to 30 minutes to cook depending on the size of them, but once they're ready, that's when you want to throw the shrimp in, and the shrimp only take 2 minutes, so just let the shrimp boil for 2 minutes. Then as soon as it's been 2 minutes, you want to take them off the heat and start cooling down the water. So put a little bit of ice in there, but not too much to where you're diluting it. And the reason you want to cool the water down right after it's done is because you don't want to overcook the shrimp, so you want to get the water as cool as you can as quickly. And then you just want to let that soak for 30 to 40 minutes, and while that's happening, get a little cup and then scoop some of that boil water into it and put some butter. And then add some seasonings to it and then mix it around, and then use this as like a drizzle for on top of it. Then once it's soaked for about 30 to 40 minutes, put it into a bowl and then put some of that butter drizzle on top of it and grab some of the lemons and squeeze them on top, and then it's ready to go.